Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add sound to Pivot. I know I recently put some Pivot up tutorial, but this one's new and improved. Okay, first go into your internet browser, open Google up. Open Google. It'll probably come up Google for you, but I have to type in google.com. Okay. Now get a video in Pivot. So you get one good video. Now I've already made. Okay. Now I'll just open it. Oh. Anyway, just make your Pivot guy just doing a punch to the other. Just go like however you punch. Once you punch them and stuff. Okay. There. Okay. Now, when you save your Pivot, go File, Save Animation, File, Save Animation, then go Animated GIF, whatever you want, and then just go Save, untick these, and then you're done. Okay, now open up Movie Maker. Okay, now in Google, I want you to type find sounds.com. Okay, that's what I want you to type. You'll get every single sound you want from there, so yeah. Now click the first one. Search up whatever you want. I want punch. Now just click that little speaker next to it to download. Don't worry about the other thing. That's just to view other websites or other sounds like it. Go save. You know what to do once you save it and stuff. Now once you've done that, once you made your video of Pivot punching, that's just my little fast video. Okay, now drag it. Now, if you want to, you can just keep clicking those. I don't prefer it. So I just go quickly. Okay, that's the exact second when I punch. So now I go whatever sound I downloaded. So if you want to put your sound to it, go Audio Music. Wherever you saved your thing, just go click it and then import for your videos. Wherever you saved it and then import it. Okay. Now this is what it does. Now if you have more than one at a time, like I did, just go to the exact second. Whoops. I just get it. Yeah. Just go whatever you did. Then hit watch. There you go, that's how you add sound. So, yeah, okay, now, for all you'll need, so, if you don't really want to make your stick figures, I prefer going to this website. Yeah, type in Google droid.org. Okay, that's for all your certain needs, sticks and stuff. Okay, let's go into it. Okay, click the first one, then go sticks, and then you got whatever you want. So yeah, I prefer using one. So thanks and bye. So yeah.